Hey everyone, hi, I'm Julia. So today, I want to talk to you about whitening. I noticed a lot of my customers are asking me like, how do you reduce pigmentations? So pigmentations are due to a lot of things. It could be hereditary, it could be hormonal changes, it could be you forgot to put sunscreen, right? So today, I'm going to talk to you about Lumivie, our collection. Just want to give you a brief intro. Basically, Mary Kay is about 1963. They are all vegetarian. There's no animal ingredients in there. So if you have a lot of pigmentations or freckles, right, that you want to get rid of, I will teach you my method. So today, I'm going to show you, this is the Lumivie cleanser that I'm using. I use this for day. Alright, for whitening products, right now, because of the sun is so strong, I use whitening products in the day and I use anti-aging products at night. Okay, so I'm using this foamy cleanser. It's very foamy, but yet it's still hydrating for the dry skin. Alright, hi Cynthia, how are you? Long time no see. Alright, so and then once a week, right, I'll do a microdermabrasion. It's a deeper treatment than the normal mask. You have to slough away dead cells, minimize your pores, and then also if you have acne scars, you will have to get rid of it as well. So this one, right, is like once a week, and then I use this pore minimizer to minimize my pores as well as to give me hydration or at the same time. So you must use this together. You cannot like separate it. Alright, and then I love to use the intensive serum here. This serum, right, helps to lighten the pigmentations, helps to even out your skin tone, helps to block against the sunscreen. Alright, block against the sun rays onto your skin. It's a brightening and energizing effect. It also gives you hydration as well. So it helps to give you hydration, because a lot of my customers, they mentioned before, like those whitening products that you get out there tend to be quite drying, whereas this one is quite hydrating. At the same time, it helps to even out your skin tone. Alright, so this one has niacinamide inside, so it's also anti-aging and lighten the skin tone and lighten acne scars as well. So what I do is in the morning I use a day moisturizer. This is a whitening actually it's not whitening, it's brightening moisturizer. So this one, right, helps you to even out your skin tone and very moisturizing and hydrating at the same time. You have to even out your skin tone and reduce pigmentation as well. And then I use at night this one. This one has retinol inside. It also helps to lighten the skin tone. And if you actually do shaving on your armpits, right, as well as down there, you have to unclog the hair, ingrown hair, yeah. So you will love this one. I only do this like twice a week on here and there. Okay, so this one I love it because it has retinol and argan oil inside, so it helps to lighten your skin tone as well, and then also to lighten your pigmentation as well. So this is what I do for day and night. Yeah. Then recently we have launched our new sunscreen, which is the SPF 50. This UVA, it blocks UVA, UVB, and UVC. Alright, UVA age your skin, UVB burns your skin, UVC give you cancer. Right, this one protects all of it, and is protection against sunscreen, chemical sunscreen and physical sunscreen. Is SPF 50 SPF 50. And it's PA triple plus. We all know PA triple plus rating, meaning in Japan means very, 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 very good. Alright, and then this one, right, is oil. This one is very good. We have the defense lotion. This one is more for dry skin. We have the defense milk. Yeah, this defense milk more for combination to oily skin. Alright, so basically this is very but they are all very watery, you can see. Okay, this one is also very watery. It prevents sunburn as well. You can see it's watery, and it has very nice smell. This one has, the defense milk has watermelon smell. Okay, I'm wasting a lot. Okay. Okay, anyway, you can see it's like very watery. This one is also, defense lotion also very watery actually. This one is suitable for dry skin to combination skin, normal skin. This one is more for oily skin, this one. Alright, okay, good. So if you're interested to try the products and you want some samples, you can let me know. I will send you some samples to try. And then on top of that, from 13 July onwards, right, you can come to my office at Mary Kay office to try the products as well. It's complimentary, alright. And then yeah, so I have been doing Mary Kay for about 10 years, and you know, I just went for we just went for a meeting, and then we were suspecting that maybe there's a second wave, right? So I was just thinking, if you're interested to earn extra income, to prep yourself for the next second wave of lockdown, all right, you can look for me. I'll teach you how to do Facebook marketing online. I'm very expert at it. Okay, so I have this word that I actually wrote down for you guys. I was reading this book, and the questions that he asked are quite good. What do you really enjoy doing that you might be able to turn into a gift for the world, instead of the nature of that questions whereby we have to grow up to take on a particular career to earn money to pay the bills to survive, right? Think of the gifts that you have that you can actually help the world. So for me, right, I feel like doing Mary Kay has helped me a lot in terms of like confidence level. And if you see my previous old pictures, right, I was not so pretty back then. I was really actually a tomboy. I'm not so feminine also. Yeah, but because of Mary Kay, right, I'm able to turn myself around and then becoming a full-on woman. All right, and then and what I like about this is it's not talking about like making you like how should I say, Mary Kay is all about building me as a person, as a better person, also giving a lot of like trainings for the girls, helping one another to make money as well. So it's not seeing money as something you have to slog to earn, but money as a reward for you doing good deeds for the world and fulfilling your mission. Alright, and then that's something amazing for me that happens when I work on something and I feel it's a mission to enrich women's life, empower women, as well as making them it drives me, it inspired me, it motivates me to help a lot of women to be confident, and then also to be able to know who they are as a person, and also to know their market value. So this is what I actually help them to find their market value. And yeah, so if you're interested to know more about Mary Kay business, I will teach you how. And right now, all you have to do is on your video live on your using your phone, and you can do a business already. So if you're interested to learn more about doing the business, about maybe less than $300, you can start a business. We only ask of only 300, yeah, less than $300, you can start a business. So if your friends are interested to do as a makeup trainer or a makeup artist as well, you can PM me privately. I'm going to give you my handphone number, 96881798. Yeah, so if you like any of the products that you want to try, you can actually PM me also. I'm going to send you some samples. So thank you so much all for watching. Bye.